Welcome back to Minute with Me. I want to share my thoughts in the forest. Today's Mother's Day and Mama wanted to walk in the woods. And there's one thing I love as much as Mama. That is Mother Nature. I love nature.
Olivia, why do you love nature?
Well, first of all, it's very peaceful and calming to me. Another thing I love by walking in the forest is we get to see a lot of things that we usually don't see at home. Another thing is I love walking with my father and holding his hand. I also love skipping in the woods.
And you know what I love, Olivia?
What?
I love the sun and the cool breeze.
I love the grass on the trail. In addition of walking, hiking, and skipping in the woods, I love to run in the woods. And sometimes you could hear beautiful birds too. And I love the river.
Wow, what a beautiful day for a walk in the woods.
Yep. I love it. And I found this cool stick. See, Papa? It's like a wizard stick.
Oh, wow, it is. Thank you for watching A Minute with Me. Until next time, stay strong and stay healthy.